What's a cow say? What's a horse say? What does the tiger say? Audrey, what's a tiger say? Roar! There she goes.
Come here.
What does the birdie say? Tweet, tweet, tweet!
Audrey, what's a kitty cat say?
What's a puppy say? What's an elephant say? What's an elephant say? What's a monkey say? Ooh, 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 ah, ah, ah.
I got you. What's an elephant say? No. Good job.
What's a horse say? What's a horse say? What's a puppy say? What's a horse say? What's a cow say? What's a cow say? What's a tiger? What's a tiger say? What's a tiger say? Roar.
What else do you know? Sheep?
What's a sheep say? Audrey. Audrey. What's a sheep say? Bah. Oh, that's a basketball. What else, Mommy?
I think that's how she knows it now. What's a fish say? Usually she'll make bubble noises.
Audrey, what's a fish say? No. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Yeah. Yeah, puppy. What's a kitty say? Meow. What's a tiger say? Rawr. What's an elephant say? Uh-oh.